Hello and good day. Greetings from Tex Biosciences. In this video, we are going to share something very important and interesting: how Tex MicroClean microbes and enzymes can completely transform wastewater and environmental treatment. If you are facing challenges like high COD, BOD, sludge, odor, or rising operation costs, then this video is going to be very valuable for you. Aeration tanks, SBR, MBBR, IFAS lagoons. Below, I've mapped out the common biological issues and the Tex MicroClean microbial solutions. Have aerobic treatment, biological issues, and Tex MicroClean solutions. 1. Low COD BOD removal efficiency. Issue: incomplete degradation due to poor microbial activity or shock loads. Tex MicroClean solution: enzyme blends hydrolyzed complex organics, simple molecules. Specialized microbes rapidly degrade carbohydrates, proteins, oils, fats. Improve COD BOD removal even under high load fluctuations. Nano 2. Sludge bulking and poor settling. Issue: filamentous bacteria dominate, poor settling, sludge washout. Tex MicroClean solution: competitive microbial strains suppress filaments, promotes compact, dense flocks with good settleability, reduces sludge carryover in secondary clarifier. 3. Sludge foaming. Issue: foaming due to nocardia microthrics or excess fog. Tex MicroClean solution: fog-degrading microbes and lipase enzymes emulsify oils, controls filamentous bacteria growth, prevents persistent foaming and scum formation. 4. Excess sludge generation. Issue: high sludge disposal costs, poor sludge quality. Tex MicroClean solution enhances organic conversion to CO2 and H2O instead of biomass, reduces sludge yield, and improves dewatering properties. TAMSH 5. High oxygen demand, energy cost. Issue: over-aeration needed to meet effluent standards, high blower cost. Tex MicroClean solution improves oxygen utilization efficiency of microbes. Enzymes accelerate hydrolysis, less O2 required per kg COD removed. Can reduce aeration energy consumption by 20 to 30%. 6. Nutrient imbalance. Issue: deficiency in NNP causes incomplete COBDOD removal. Tex MicroClean solution: balanced consortia work efficiently even at lower NNP levels. Internal recycling of nutrients within biomass. NAR 7. Color, odor, and refractory organics. Issue: aerobic systems alone struggle with dyes, tannins, phenols, odor compounds. Tex MicroClean solution: enzymes break down color-causing organics. Microbes degrade odor-causing H2S, VOCs, and ammonia. Effluent becomes clearer, odor-free, and compliant. Aerobic treatment plants Tex MicroClean boosts COD BOD removal efficiency, controls bulking, foaming, and sludge generation, reduces oxygen energy demand, handles nutrient imbalance, breaks down color, Pha-G, and odor compounds. Anaerobic treatment, especially in a UASB reactor, upflow anaerobic sludge blanket reactor, is very efficient but also sensitive to shock loads, FOG, pH alkalinity, and sludge health. Here's how Tex MicroClean microbes and enzymes can help. TASH Tex MicroClean for anaerobic UASB treatment. 1. Startup and granule formation. Issue: UASB takes weeks, months to establish stable biomass. Tex MicroClean solution provides ready-to-work anaerobic consortia, hydrolytic, acidogenic, acetogenic, methanogenic microbes. Enzymes accelerate hydrolysis of starch, protein, and oils. Faster granule formation, reducing startup time by 30 to 40%. 2. COD and BOD reduction. Issue: slow degradation of complex organics, high COD and effluent. Tex MicroClean solution: enzymes break down cellulose, proteins, fog, starch into simple sugars and fatty acids. Methanogens convert volatile fatty acids, VFAs, into biogas, CH plus CO2. Ensures higher COBOD removal efficiency. Fog and scum control. Issue: fats, oils, and grease fog float on surface, clogging, scum, poor mixing. Tex MicroClean solution: lipase-producing microbes emulsifying enzymes break fog, prevents floating layers, and stabilizes sludge blanket. 4. pH and alkalinity stability. Issue: acid accumulation, VFAs, causes pH crash, killing methanogens. Tex MicroClean solution: balanced microbial consortia ensures smooth acidogenesis, methanogenesis transition. Prevents VFA accumulation. Some strains generate natural alkalinity bicarbonates to buffer pH. #5. Shock load and toxicity resistance. Issue: sudden COD spikes, heavy metals, or toxic influence upset biomass. Tex MicroClean solution: robust facultative anaerobes handle high organic loads. Enzymes reduce toxic organics before they harm methanogens. Faster system recovery after shock events. 6. Sludge health and reduction. Issue: poor sludge quality, excess sludge accumulation. TEX MicroClean solution promotes healthy granular sludge with high methanogenic activity. Improves settleability and reduces washout. Minimizes excess sludge yield. 7. Biogas yield. Issue: low methane content or unstable biogas production. TEX MicroClean solution. Enzymatic hydrolysis. More VFAs available for methanogens. Balanced microbial chain improves CH4 conversion efficiency. Higher and more stable biogas yield. TEX MicroClean in UASB accelerates startup and granule development, improves COD BOD removal, controls fog, scum, and sludge bulking, stabilizes pH and alkalinity, provides shock resistance, enhances biogas yield and methane content. Along with microbes and enzymes, micronutrients play a key role in keeping both aerobic and anaerobic treatment systems healthy. Without proper nutrients, microbes cannot function efficiently, even if COD/BOD is high. Here's how TEX micronutrients help. Role of TEX micronutrients in wastewater treatment. 1. General role of micronutrients. Microbes require trace elements, Phe, Co, Ni, Zine, Mn, Cu, Mo, Mg, Cas, etc. for enzyme systems. These act as cofactors in biological reactions, boosting metabolic activity. Maintain microbial growth, reproduction, and enzymatic function. 2. Anaerobic treatment, ETP, SB, MBBR aeration tanks. Problems without micronutrients. Slow COD/BOD degradation. Weak flock structure, poor settling, sludge bulking. Low MLSS activity and biomass stress. Excessive aeration requirement due to weak metabolism. TEX micronutrients help by enhancing enzymatic breakdown of organics, proteins, starch, fog. Strengthening microbial cell walls, dense, settleable flocks. Supporting nitrifying bacteria, Nitrosomonas, Nitrobacter, for ammonia removal, reducing oxygen demand per kilogram COD removed, energy savings, improving resilience against shock loads and toxic inflows. 3. In anaerobic treatment, UASB, anaerobic digesters, lagoons, problems without micronutrients. Methanogens, responsible for biogas, stop functioning without Ni, Co, Phe. VFA accumulation, pH crash, and reactor souring. Poor biogas yield and low methane percent. Weak granule sludge formation. TEX micronutrients help by providing essential cofactors for methanogenic enzymes like methyl-CoM reductase, preventing VFA accumulation by stabilizing the acidogenesis, methanogenesis balance, supporting healthy granular sludge formation in UASB, boosting biogas yield and methane content, CH4, stabilizing reactor performance during high CO loads or shock inflows. 4. Overall benefits of TEX micronutrients. Faster startup of biological systems. Consistent COD, BOD, TSS, FOG reduction. Reduced foaming, bulking, and odor issues. Stable pH and alkalinity balance. Lower chemical cost. Less need for external alkalinity boosters like NaHCOE. Higher biogas yield in anaerobic plants. Energy recovery. In aerobic systems, TEX micronutrients improve microbial efficiency, flock strength, oxygen utilization, and shock resistance. In anaerobic systems, they are vital for methanogenic activity, pH stability, sludge granulation, and biogas yield. This is exactly what clients want to know, not just the technical part, but also cost savings. Here's how TEX MicroClean, microbes plus enzymes, helps reduce operation and maintenance, OPEX, in wastewater treatment plants. Cost reduction with TEX MicroClean. 1. Lower aeration energy costs, aerobic systems. Problem: aeration equals 50 to 70% of ETP electricity cost. TEX MicroClean action: enzymes hydrolyze organics, microbes need less oxygen. Microbial efficiency improves oxygen transfer rate, OTR. Cost impact: 20-30% savings in blower electricity cost. NAVR 2. Reduced chemical consumption. Problem: plants add chemicals for pH correction, coagulation, fog removal, odor control. TEX MicroClean action: produces natural alkalinity in anaerobic systems, less need for NaHCO3 lime. Degrades Phe, color, and odor-causing organics, reduces need for PAC, alum, or deodorizers. Cost impact: 15 to 25% reduction in chemical purchase. 3. Sludge management savings. Problem: sludge handling and disposal equals major OPEX. TEX MicroClean action: converts more COD, CO2, H2O, CH4 instead of biomass. Produces less excess sludge and improves dewatering. Cost impact: up to 30% reduction in sludge disposal cost. 4. Faster startup and recovery. Problem: new plants and upset systems take weeks, months to stabilize. TEX MicroClean action: accelerates biomass buildup and granule formation. recovers quicker from shock loads, high COD, toxins, pH imbalance. Cost impact, reduces downtime, prevents loss of production discharge penalties. Tavish 5, improved effluent quality, compliance savings. Problem, non-compliance, fines, penalties, and higher tertiary treatment costs. Tex MicroClean Action ensures consistent COD, BOD, TSS, fog, odor reduction, reduces color and refractory organics. Cost impact, saves penalty costs, avoids costly tertiary polishing. Naverse 6, higher biogas yield anaerobic systems. Problem, low methane yield equals wasted energy. Tex MicroClean Action optimizes VFA CH screw conversion, boosts methane percent in biogas. Cost impact, replaces fossil fuel electricity with renewable energy recovery. 7. Lower manpower and maintenance needs. Problem, frequent interventions needed due to foaming, bulking, scum. Tex MicroClean Action controls foaming, bulking, scum naturally. Smooth plant operations with fewer shutdowns. Cost impact, saves labor and maintenance cost. Savings with Tex MicroClean. 20 to 30% savings in aeration energy. 15 to 25% savings in chemical usage. Up to 30% savings in sludge handling. Biogas recovery replaces fuel flat electricity, avoids penalties and downtime costs. But wastewater treatment is not the only area where Tex MicroClean is effective. It also offers natural, sustainable solutions for organic waste composting, hospital and pharmaceutical wastewater treatment, open drain sewage management, lakes and ponds rejuvenation, ammoniacal nitrogen reduction, solid waste management, soil bioremediation, and land recovery. This makes Tex MicroClean a complete biological solution package for industries, municipalities, and communities. Thank you for watching this video on Tex MicroClean, the natural and cost-effective way to achieve efficient wastewater and environmental treatment. For inquiries, you can contact us at rsaravanan@texbiosciences.com or visit our website, www.texbiosciences.com. We look forward to working with you in building a cleaner and greener future. This is Tex Biosciences, signing off. See you in the next video.